Hey everybody, Shu and April here. We are at the Silver Lake State Park campground and day use area in Michigan, of all places. And the cool thing about this place is if you look there, those dunes out there, you're allowed to drive on them. People are parking their boats on them, everything. So we're gonna check this place out. Alrighty, burn up sand dunes. They're way over there. Yeah. Up over this hill over here is where all the dune buggies, side by sides, trucks, jeeps, everything's come from. Pretty cool. Place is big. It's a lot bigger than it looked. This place is huge. Alrighty. Way back here behind me, right about there, is the campground. Made it to the top of the tallest hill here, or sand dune, excuse me. The views out here are phenomenal. Not sure if you can see, but out there's dune buggies going through water and sand and everything else. That's Lake Michigan right there.